Hey everyone, so in Marshall's we have hand cream right here, $4.07 for the Gudetama, $4 for the pink, and I know we've seen this one. So I never seen this brand here. It's gonna be 10. Shea and cocoa butter with aloe shampoo. Sebastian, okay, what is this one? Invisible finishing cream, like styling for 9. Diva curls on top, just tons of Diva curl. Many options to choose from. Bedhead, let's see, I just bought this one, $10.99, $10.99. Number 2, this is number 4. They do have the heat protector, that's $10.99. Look how cute. Okay, we haven't seen this one, only $5.99. Look at that, really neat. Tons of butterfly options to choose from. Tons. Oh, you know what? I thought these are for the shower. They look like the hooks.
They do. Sorry.
Okay, so in a different location, we saw like an orange one. This one is, $30. They have a little white one and a black one. These are cool. I think these are cool. If you're just going out, girl night, a little date night, something you don't need a big purse. I'm actually against carrying a big purse. $35. Even though I look at purses and I'm like, ooh, I like this one, I know deep down I would never carry it. I stick with my 10-year-old Rebecca Minkoff backpack. That thing is 10 years old. And it goes with everything. Okay, $20 here.
It's a beautiful trash can.
It's not a trash can. Apparently, the inside of my purse, not so great.
I won't reach in that thing.
$25 on this one. Nanette Lepore, they do have the chain. So I have a light pink one. A lot of Anne Klein today. A Betsy Johnson in brown. I've never seen a Betsy Johnson in brown because I'm used to her standing out, $35. That was brand new for Betsy Johnson for me. Just like a tan one. Vera Bradley, okay, this is 40. A zipper, big one. This is a good one. Is that pocket? It goes in kind of deep. I mean, hey, if you need a bag, festival bag. This one has studding, but is that how you open it on top like that? That's a little weird. 25. I never seen that. The button closure like that. Really different. Little Dune one, that's 20 from 35, 13 from 17. Another beaded one, 24 from 30. Oh, there's tons of the mini yellow one. And this one's 20. BB and a card holder for $29.99. Tons of purple, 9 West. That black and gray BB we've seen. What is this one? For $25. $25. And everything here is like Anne Klein and 9 West, which are $35 for the tote. Then it looks like we're getting into backpacks. I want to see what this blue one is. Standing out. $35. Wow, $35. Who makes this? Let me find out. I did find some yellow Vans. These are $29.99. Michael Kors, $4.50. The pink, MK, and more Vans. These are $35. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the David Bowie ones, but these aren't it though. Colorful coach. Oh, I wonder how much this one is. $59.99. I just saw this one in Macy's. Wow, that's cheaper here if you could find it. And $59.99. More Michael Kors. This one has a little heel on it. Steve Madden. These are $25. Kind of like that wedge. This one. I think we might have seen this one. No, it's by Adrian Vittadini for $29.99. Okay, I thought this one had like the toe for the thumb, toe. Franco Sarto has a shoe very, very similar. These are heavy. These are MIA. Not as much for little kids. I mean, we have this high top one for 15. Dance skin, this cute little lemon slide on. The dinosaur one is still around. Puma. Oh gosh, look at this. Colorful, so bright and pink at 13. This is by Tommy Bahama. Here's like a Mario. They light up. They're 20. I feel like they should light up a little bit. Okay, this is really cute. It's gonna be $13. A pajama, little lacy at the bottom, and then you get the short. I like the cherry print. 15, a tank and bottom, the colorful one, and again they're all thin. This one's 20. It's gonna be a juicy couture robe, which I think we might have seen many times. Kate Spade in $30. Okay, this one's different. 17, kind of like silky-ish. By Cynthia, top and bottom for 17. And this pink one, let me pull it out. By Lucky, it's gonna be 15. And we have a butterfly print. This one's 15. A little blue heart one. It kind of looks like animal print, but the little hearts on it. Little hearts on that. Again, this one reminds me of Golden Girls Blanche for 17. Polka dot, a star one. Let's see, $13 to get the shorts. You do. 10. Who knew pajamas were like so cool to look at? I've been like, I don't know why, you guys, I've been just wanting like to look at pajamas. I don't know why. I think my body's saying you're tired. You are tired. Let's see, Tahari. Look at this Ralph Lauren one. I feel like they bring out more like stylish pajamas when we do get closer to Mother's Day, like all this stuff right now, because normally they never have that. Okay, in front of me, these are like the pants, right? The flowy pants. Look at that one with like the lace trim at the bottom. Many options to choose from. They're all a pull-on. This one, yep, it's wide leg. At first, I thought it was a skirt. That'd be kind of cool. $39.99, $40, and then we have this blue one for $40 as well. And then over here, we get into the more colorful ones. They're $40. I feel like they're all $40. Zipper in the back. I know we've seen this one, 40s by Nicole Miller, but they have pockets right here. I don't think I've ever seen a like flowy dress. Well, yeah, there's a pocket right. Okay, it is a pocket. I thought it was like a rip, but it's a pocket. It goes pretty deep too. Are these pants or a skirt? And this one's 20. Oh, they're pants. $20. That's 32 and 17. 35. This one's $29.99. And the stripe one. This one's pretty long. $4.50. It does have two pockets. 40 by Truth. 29, 35, and 30. This one's 30 as well. Flowy bottoms, those are 13. Look what I found randomly, 25. These are cute. They're only $13 as well. I like these like flowy tops. Let me pull this one out in the back. Look at that. And there's like an all green one for 13. Those are pull on, 13. And then over here we're gonna get into like the yellows, kind of like the yellows, $12.99. And then the flowy pant, these are 20 and 13. And look how colorful over here. The denim vest, oh no. Well, that shirt is only 17. Like the square neck. Those are cute. I'll do like the square neck one. That's a skirt. We have your pinks. More flowy bottoms, 15. I think these are cute. And look at those shorts. Those are 10. But I really like that pant. Okay, we have Krusty Krab burger, $9. Here's the back. And this one's eat.